If you're a woman over 40 and you're finding it difficult to lose weight, if you want to know how I went from a size 14 to a size 6, you'll want to stick around for this video. Hi guys, my name is Shab. Welcome to my channel. Intermittent fasting is the most simplest and effective method to lose weight. It's a transformational technique. What exactly is intermittent fasting? You eat in an 8-hour window and you fast for 16 hours. You want to cut your meals down to 2 meals a day. You're less hungry and you'll feel like you have more energy. You would have a lunch at 12 o'clock and your last meal of the day would be at 8 o'clock. That's the easiest method. It's easier to skip breakfast and eat dinner. Johns Hopkins Medical Center found that it was a great way to manage your weight and even reverse some forms of disease. And it's also the way that I found to go from a size 14 to a size 6. A study from Harvard University found that intermittent fasting can improve your metabolism, lowers blood sugar, can reduce inflammation, and it helps to clear out toxins and damaged cells from your body. Who doesn't want that? If you guys would like more information on intermittent fasting or what I eat in a day, please comment below. That really helps me create content that you guys will find valuable.